Hey everybody, how's it going? Boris here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the tools that I use to clean dryer vents. I get this question every now and again about equipment. You guys want to spend a heck of a lot of money before you even have any jobs, it seems. You want to spend thousands of dollars on equipment you don't need. And so I'm going to show you the equipment that I use. It is as simple as it gets. This is why I tell you that you can start this business for under $500, maybe even less than that if you've got at least some of these tools at least, okay? It's very, very simple stuff. All right. First, there is the brushes that I use. My brush set is called the Lint Eater. You get them on Amazon. I'm going to spread them out here for you. Show you them. Lint Eater brushes. These are 3 feet long. They screw into one another. This foxtail brush is for cleaning the area where the lint trap goes in the dryer where you can't reach. This is a 4-inch diameter brush. It's set up like an ogre. And it is for residential vent cleaning. This guy here, again, comes from Amazon. It's $10. It just gets on your vacuum. It allows you to go places. Am I getting this video? There it goes. It allows you to go into places where this brush goes to pick up the lint. My fancy vacuum cleaner, Home Depot, $100, rigid. I like this one because it has a peak uh, peak sucking power of 5.0, which is pretty good. It has a pocket. I always keep a pair of wire cutters, face mask, a drill, cordless. I always keep 2 to 3 drills and 2 to 3 backup batteries so I never get stuck. And least but not, well, last not least, but here we go. This is the ladder I use. 21 footer. It can go in your car. The reason I'm showing you my ladder is, and I'm not showing you the one that I used to use. All right, this is what you would normally use, telescopic. The big ladder has to go on the roof of your car. I don't have a roof rack on this car. I use my personal car. I don't need 2 vehicles. And that's it. This is the gist of it. I gave you the majority of it. Of course, there's some little things here and there. Um, you will also need okay, this is like 25 feet of connection vent, and that's more or less it. $100. These brushes here are about 60 bucks. This is about $30 worth, but you need more. You need 2 segments for these. They only give you 4 segments total, so you got to buy an additional kit with 4 more segments, or whatever the distance is you're going to go. I don't do commercial, I only do residential, and I mostly only work on 1 story, so I don't need so many extensions, but you can get as many as you like. They're not that expensive. This thing is like $11 on Amazon. You can look under lint eater and also dryer vent cleaning brushes and things like that, and it's all there. This ladder, Amazon. I think I paid, I want to say $150 to $200 for it. So between the ladder and the vacuum, you're, let's say, 350. The brushes, that's 400, and a few little knickknacks. There's 500 bucks. You might have the drill already. You might have the vacuum already. You might not need all this stuff from scratch. So don't spend a lot of money. Always lead with the money. If you don't have money, don't start buying expensive equipment. Uh-oh, my mic took a dive. That's better. Let's see if that worked. Um, Start this business for nothing. And then as you get better at it and you have more clients, spend that money that you make on advertising, local based advertising. Do free advertising online. You can do free advertising to Facebook pages, for instance, Facebook groups. In my local area, I'll look up moms of and pick the name of the town that you're in. Moms or specific community names and try and become a member affiliated with it so you can post to it. Some will let you, some won't, but that's the way you do it. All right. But if you guys are interested, go check out my course. I'll put it up here. OneDryerVentCleaning.com. That's www.onedryerventcleaning.com. There's a lot of information in there. It helps you save money on startup. It helps you figure out how to get clients. It is designed for you not to spend all your money on a startup so that you can keep your money, because you know what? If you don't like this idea, then you're stuck with the equipment. So don't spend money on the equipment. Start minimal, always start minimal. If you have an existing business, this is an awesome add-on. The existing business is not going to be accounting. It's going to be something to do with house services. If you are an accountant, then this is not for you. I'm pretty sure. Okay. If you have questions, hit me up in the comment section. I always answer all my questions. Join my OneDryer Vent Cleaning group, and there's a lot of videos there. The YouTube channel, not group, YouTube channel. Go join my YouTube channel. There's a bunch of videos. They all have comments and answers in the comment section. So lots of information there. My course is $300. I think it's well worth it. You will save yourself much more in the long run. You will make more money in the immediate term with the knowledge in there. There's a lot of info in there. Go to the OneDryerVentCleaning.com, and there's more information. The landing page, there's more information there. There's a chart of potential earnings as a dryer vent cleaning person. What can you make? Curious? Go there. There's a chart there. There's information about what's included in the course, and if you're interested, there's buy buttons. It's a PayPal buy button, no big deal. All right, but if you have questions, hit me up. All right, good luck, guys.